If you have not already taken the attendance verification quiz, you need to click there, and you need to do that as soon as possible because you will be dropped from the course. Even if you've already taken it in English 101, you still have to do the attendance verification quiz in both classes. So make sure you do that. Once you finish that, go ahead and start on your video quizzes. Open those by clicking the video once, and then it will do that, and it'll look like it's not working, but it still is. Click it again and preview the test questions by clicking up here. Click here to open them up. Try to test yourself. Try to answer the questions before you even take the quiz, and that way you'll learn something from listening out for what you might have gotten wrong or right or whatever it happens to be. Once you've looked at the test questions, you want to play the video quiz, so click continue and it will start playing. And then you will have questions at these little moments here. If you don't do so well, go back and take it again. You have a second quiz. It's a little bit longer. This one's only about 3 minutes. This one's almost 8. It will help you review for the grammar test, which is really super hard. So you want to make sure that you understand sentence structure, not only though for the grammar test, but also for writing essays. A lot of students tend to lose points for sentence structure problems. So reviewing this will be super important. If you need to reach out to me, you can find my information here about how to contact me, and the best way is to email me. I'm not in my office a whole lot because I'm teaching classes, so make sure that you email me, and then I should get back to you within 48 hours. But do check announcements because you may end up finding the answers to your questions there. So check that before you email me because it might save us both some time. You'll get a faster response to your question because it's in the announcements, and I won't be running around trying to come between classes and respond to emails if you already have the answer. Or if you do find that you have the answer after you've already emailed me, then please let me know. That would be great. Thanks. Bye.